Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in the city of Celina today, in the community of Sutton Fields. We're going to be shooting this beautiful Stonehollow home, this model home here in the city of Celina. Great thing about this community, even though you are in the city of Celina, that this is a huge deal to a lot of the families, which is this is a Prosper ISD community. You are in Celina, but you don't have to pay a crazy Prosper prices, right? So you get the Prosper ISD, which is a huge deal for a lot of families. Hey guys, if you are new to our channel, we just want to say thank you for stopping by. My name is Gus. This is Karla, my wife Karla. We are both realtors here in the North Dallas area, and we do help a lot of families buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the North Dallas area. So if you are looking to possibly make a move or just looking around at different areas here in the Dallas, DFW area, North Dallas could be a great option for you, especially this community. And we would love to help you out with any questions, free resources. So don't hesitate to reach out. You can text or call us. Our information is going to be up here. You can also go into the description of this video and you can find our emails and other ways that you can book an appointment with us also. Also guys, if you haven't done so, please hit that like button and that subscribe button as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. We do home walkthroughs like this. We do market updates on what the real estate is doing here in the DFW area, specifically the North Dallas area. So make sure to do that, guys, and appreciate your support.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be walking through Stonehollow's model here at Sutton Fields, and it's actually their Regatta 3. But they have several different floor plans that you can choose from. This particular floor plan is gonna have 4 bedrooms plus a study, and you can opt to include a game room and a media room. So it's definitely over 3,000 square feet. It's like 3,200 on the base, and you can increase that as much as you need in order to get everything that you need. Yeah. I think it tops out at close to 3,600 square feet. But you guys, this is a phenomenal, fabulous floor plan. Definitely has everything that you could possibly be looking for, and like we stated earlier, it's in the Prosper ISD, which is huge, and everybody wants to get into Prosper. But if you keep up with the North Dallas area, you'll know that Prosper ISD is also very expensive. So if you're buying in Prosper, it can cost you a lot of money. Where you can get a home like this in Celina but still be zoned to Prosper ISD. It's a huge deal. So you guys, this is a gorgeous floor plan. The price on this starts in the high 500s. This particular model that we're going to be looking at today is actually going for about 670, but you don't have to add all the bells and whistles. You can keep that cost fairly low. Like I said, the base price starts in the high 500s, and you can definitely keep it there if need be. Right.
Obviously, if you want to go all out and add all the upgrades and add that media room as well, right? So that jumps up the price of the home. But you can end up with an awesome home. I mean, the finishes are awesome, and you
also,
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Well, I was going to mention a little bit about the community, where we are.
So before we go into that, I wanted to let you guys know that this is actually the first time we do a Stonehollow walkthrough. So they are a local builder, like they're only here in the North Dallas area, which is great. So we deal with a lot of builders, and I think it's really, really great that Stonehollow is kind of
homegrown, just to this area, North Dallas area. Their main office is in McKinney, I believe. So yeah, you are dealing with someone that's local and that they take pride in their finishes and their homes.
So they're a very small local company, and I think that's great too, because they know the market. They're going to know it probably better than some of the bigger builders that are kind of all over the place. And they know our weather specific. So here in Texas, we get all kinds of crazy weather. So I think that's very important when it comes to a builder, that they know exactly, what weather is involved in all that, because that just makes for a better built home.
Right.
there you have it, guys. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. Also, do keep in mind, if you are looking to purchase in this particular area, give us a call, because right now they do have some great incentives going on. And if you use their preferred lender, there's some really great stuff that they can do for you guys as well. But they definitely do have some incentives coming up, and they actually have a couple of inventory homes that are going to be ready to go and finished by, like, you know, mid-spring, early spring, hopefully. So give us a call if you guys have any questions at all about this particular builder or these homes, because they only have a limited amount of homes available. So if you are looking to purchase, now's definitely the time.